Hey there, my name is Noah and I'm super excited to be showing you our 2017 Honda HR-V all-wheel drive. Let's get started. The HR-V is going to be powered by a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine that is going to be providing all of the power to all 4 of your wheels. This HR-V comes fully equipped with tons of tech features and makes for an incredibly comfortable all-wheel drive SUV ride while still providing you some of the creature comforts of having a slightly smaller vehicle. You have keyless exit and entry, integrated turn signal lamps, and a auto one-touch window for the driver. To the left of the steering column here, you have your eco control, your for collision mitigation, lane departure warning, rear wiper, and traction controls, along with your winter mats already included in the vehicle. Only 53,000 kilometers, and one of my favorite key features in any new Honda is their side view mirror. That'll turn on with your right signal lamp, providing you a view directly to the right of the vehicle, but also with the click of a button on that stalk there, you can also access the camera at any time. Push button start with your heated seats and dual zone climate control, all available right through this touchscreen here. We have an electronic parking brake and your brake auto hold assist, a sunroof providing some extra lighting, making the interior of the vehicle feel not only roomier but adding that extra point. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, and tough to see, but underneath the driver console here you actually have 2 USB ports and an HDMI port for all your media needs, as well as charging your phones. You have integrated navigation, your phone and audio all available from the touchscreen here. One amazing thing about this HR-V is it still has a CD player, but you also have your AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB audio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and the HDMI port that you can plug your laptop into, anything you really want for whatever kind of media you might get through that. You have your hazards right available from the driver's seat, Bluetooth controls on the steering wheel here, audio and source controls, and your cruise controls all available as well. Taking a look into the rear passenger section here, that beautiful black leather interior does flow all the way throughout the vehicle, and these seats do fold flat for truly full flat cargo room access depending on your needs for the vehicle here. Then if we take a look into the rear cargo section, it does come with the original cargo shade, and we do still have the spare tire as well. And taking a look, there is actually an absolutely astonishing amount of cargo room available. The other seat is still buckled in, but even then we can still fold it fully flat, giving you all that flat cargo access, enough to definitely fit a couple sheets of plywood, lumber, whatever you may need. This vehicle has the capability to handle it. Taking one last look though, there's so much more going on in this vehicle than we have time for in the video. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call Noah at 780-479-5700. From all of us in Northside Mitsubishi here, thank you so much for your time, and hopefully we chat soon. Bye now.